Hi everyone, how's it going there? This is a joint effort, a joint effort, I don't know if it's a joint anyway. It's not, no, it's not that sort of joint. Me and Jason Andrews decided to do a favour for someone. Oh, that's nice of you, Rob. No, it's not. I'm quite favourable. I'm quite, you know, I do favours. No problem at all. There's a million people who'll tell you that. So we got to cut this out with a Stanley. So let's just get the initial shape of the fucking thing. Now this is the way I do it, so with a Stanley knife. Okay, you are going to say, what the fuck is he doing? But this is the way I've always done it, and this is the way I will continue to do it. If we can see what the fuck we're doing. That's a snuzzle, yeah, so let's see if I can get that. And then in there is the slightest. Oh, I don't know if I can get into that, but we'll try. The thing is, the more you rubbed it like this, it's come off. I've rubbed it, I can't see the fucking main bit now. See if I gotta put the pictures. I'm sure I can just about see that, which is an eye there. See, I don't worry about that because we can do that with a pliers. What we're hoping now is that come out on there. Then you say, oh my fucking god. There's so many scratches already on here. Bit of French short would be handy, man. I think I got any. It's gotta be done today, you see. It's gotta be done today. So we'll take it over there on the doodler table. Why? Because I like it over there. I feel safe and surrounded by friends. Right, what are we doing here now? Well, that don't look too bad, I mean. We'll give it a whirl, just to see if I'm as quick as I look. I'll have to go for it and see what happens. This is not too bad. Right, let's just dust that up as well. That's the hedgehog. Easy bit. We've now got an arrow, and we can either do the arrow's front is like that and the arrow back is like that, and there's that much in between, so we can either do the arrow out of this complete arrow. The more I do, the less Jason will do. So it's something like that. Not much bigger than that. It's about, that's that. Tail right there. So this is a bit more detailed. So we'll start right up there. We'll start. So that, I want that dead in line with his rumble. And I want it up as high as it can fucking go. Which is there. If you look at it at an angle, you can see it perfect. But the light is so shite in this building, you don't want to go there. You just don't want to go there. Right, let's try that. We're winning, slowly, but we are winning. And surely that's all what matters if you're a win. That's it, the top of it. You've got a tube then with probably a bearing in. So this rotates, obviously. We've got a couple of speed wobbles. That'll probably help it rotate. And that's it really. We want it rustic looking, we don't want it, you know. Most weather vanes, you only see the silhouette anyway. Now we gotta do these. Right, and the first is the letter E. Pretty fight too much. Back in now I can see that. Let's do a W. Yep, I can see it. Should have one more, which we have. East, west, north, south. There's nothing up north. There's nothing definitely over west. East, I'm not too sure of it. So let's do the iron one first, which is south. Glad I'm not doing the alphabet. One more. One more. And there's your E. It's Good News Week. Someone's dropped a bomb somewhere, contaminating atmosphere and blackening the sky. Right, as we said now, we're going to take it over to Jason, and Jason's going to do the other bits. Sing. There you are, birthday boy. That's your present.
Look.
It's the Andover.
Things. Oh.
Well, you got to do your video now, I don't mind. I'm just filming the Andover.
Did you hand it over?